Bullish Deckard cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $84.40 and $159.42 by 2030. Market examiners accept DCR could reach $65.64 by 2025. Bearish Deckard market cost expectation for 2023 is $15. Deckard presentation. New blockchain encoded resource-getting organizations are arising in the extending computerized cryptographic money area. The typical cost of each can change basically aimlessly and in a moment. An unexpected cost drop in a bullish pattern is entirely expected inside the crypto market today because of the fast increment or reduction in market esteem. Their future costs are a very controversial subject with an enormous crowd of closely involved individuals. Deckard value expectation is an open and moderate digital currency with an arrangement of self-administration incorporated into its blockchain. Since its origin, the typical exchanging cost of Deckard has been hypothesized by numerous specialists. We should investigate on the off chance that it is a beneficial venture for you now. What is Deckard? Before we can move towards any specialized investigation or value forecast of Deckard, a comprehension is expected of the DCR coin inside the crypto space. This will give the setting to comprehend Deckard cost investigation and Deckard cost forecast. Deckard is a digital money that is like Bitcoin yet with a couple of key contrasts. One of the principal distinctions is that Deckard is a crossover proof of work and proof of stake coin. This implies that the DCR coin utilizes a mix of both mining and marking to get the organization and affirm exchanges. This makes it safer and decentralized than Bitcoin, which is exclusively evidence of work. Furthermore, Deckard has an inherent administration framework that permits clients to decide on recommendations to work on the coin, making it more decentralized and receptive to local area needs. Deckard specialized investigation. Deckard specialized examination can be perceived in two significant focuses. The Deckard project is a cryptographic money that utilizes a half-breed verification of work and evidence of stake framework to get the organization and affirm exchanges. It is likewise a decentralized coin, with an underlying administration framework that permits clients to decide on proposition to work on the coin. Deckard is written in Go and was initially sent off in February 2016. The Deckard network is gotten by the two diggers and stakers. Excavators work to affirm exchanges and add new blocks to the blockchain, while stakers help to get the organization by holding Deckard coins in their wallets and deciding on recommendations. By and large, Deckard is a balanced digital money project with major areas of strength for a very much subsidized depository and an enthusiastic local area. This gives the premise to its typical cost. Deckard basic examination. Deckard utilizes a mixture verification of work and evidence of stake framework to get the organization. This intends that there are two sorts of clients on the organization: excavators and stakers. Excavators work to affirm exchanges and add new blocks to the blockchain, while stakers help to get the organization by holding Deckard coins in their wallets and deciding on recommendations. Deckard is a decentralized coin, and that intends that there is no focal power controlling the coin. All things considered, the coin is constrained by the local area of clients. The people group can decide on proposition to work on the coin. Deckard has areas of strength for and of designers with an abundance of involvement with the cryptographic money space, making the typical exchanging cost a lot of chosen by the actual clients. Furthermore, Deckard has a very much supported depository that permits the group to keep on fostering the coin without depending on external financing. This makes Deckard one of the most very much supported and advanced digital currency projects in the space. Deckard likewise has serious areas of strength for and of allies who are committed to advancing and fostering the coin. The people group is dynamic via online entertainment and in gatherings, and they are continuously attempting to work on the coin. Deckard current cost. Deckard is as of now worth $18.76 USD. DCR has moved 0.51% as of now with an exchanging volume of $1,204,841. Deckard is at present position 90 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $274,490,099 USD. Using the overall strength list, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal union difference from the outline above, we can decide cost designs for Deckard to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Deckard value expectation 2023. Deckard, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The DCR cost conjecture for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, perhaps coming to $28.13. Similarly, as with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $26.26 in cost is very aggressive. However, it is practical soon given expected joint efforts and headway. DCR is supposed to have a base worth of $22.51. Deckard value expectation 2024. In 2024, Deckard DCR cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of DCR will before long outperform $46.89. In any case, we ought to hold on to check whether the DCR's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, DCR will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $37.51 and a typical exchanging cost of $41.26. Deckard Value Forecast 2025. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach $65.64 and DCR might benefit, on the off chance that the market encounters a downfall. The objective may not be met. DCR is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $60.02 and a low of $56.27 in 2025. Deckard Value Forecast 2026. On the off chance that Deckard effectively supports market feeling among digital currency devotees, the DCR coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, DCR will be green in 2026. The DCR is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at $84.40, with a base cost of $75.02 and a typical cost of $78.77. Deckard Value Expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the DCR cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $97.53 by 2027, with a base cost of $93.78 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, DCR has a most extreme value worth of $103.15. Deckard Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $116.28. In the event that DCR figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $121.91. Neglecting to accumulate the help DCR needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $112.53. Deckard Value Forecast 2029. While DCR is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at $131.29 and a yearly cost close above $140.66 in 2029. Deckard Value Forecast 2030. By 2030, Deckard will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be $150.04 and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of $159.42, averaging out at $153.79. Deckard Value Expectation 2031. The digital money market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to figure future price tags with accuracy, but all expectations ought not be taken as